Grand ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey. Here's its signature. We'd like to reposition to the Cessna Service Center.
Number 3 Juliet Whiskey, greens for ground, roger, hold position.
300 Juliet Whiskey.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, taxi to the service center via Kilo 1, hold short runway 5 right at Kilo 1.
Kilo 1 will hold short of 5 right, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Full. So you guys can see the map. I'm going to hurry up. Get across here ahead of this jet that's going across.
Number 0 Juliet Whiskey, cross runway 5 right at Kilo 1, continue via Mike 1, Mike Charlie.
Okay, we'll cross at Kilo 1, Mike 1, Mike Charlie, 300 Juliet Whiskey. We'll get our lights on as we cross. Nobody's coming from either direction. Try to remember to write down the fuel when we get there too.
Bridge information Charlie, turn altimeter 3017.
For ground citation 300 Juliet Whiskey.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, green for ground.
Citation 300 Juliet Whiskey, we're over at the Cessna Service Center, like to reposition to signature FBO.
Station 0 Juliet Whiskey, taxi via Charlie, Mike, Mike 1, hold short of 5 right on Mike 1.
Charlie, Mike, Mike 1 will hold short of 5 right on Mike 1, 300 Juliet Whiskey. Ground Hawker number 19 Clear Bravo vacating 23 right at hotel, taxi to
Hawker 19 Kilo Bravo, taxi to signature via Delta Kilo.
Delta Kilo for signature number 19 Clear Bravo. All right. Another successful trip to the service center for some just scheduled maintenance items. Nothing major. did a few little tweaks for me. Our little cabinet at the one of our cabinet doors was a little hard to close. So they adjusted that. It's back to like brand new again. Biofuel test or whatever. I can't remember the exact name of it, but they're checking for any kind of